Hi guys, so just want to show you the grader, or whatever you want to call it, that I made for my zero turn lawnmower. And so far I like it. It's coming out alright. It's not perfect because I got a lot of stones in this dirt right here. That was from my driveway, and then I'm just trying to level out the backyard. But anyway, just real quick how I did it. It's 2x8 right here at the end, at the back of it. 2x6 is on the side. I just, whatever I had, did a little cut right there so it slides a little better. And a couple 2x4s between them. I think it's about 6 feet wide, and from there to there, front to back, is about 2.5 feet. And this was, the second one was so I can put some weight out here too, but it looks like I don't need it. I'm fine with just the weight in the back, and just a couple screws, and that's it. And it works. And that's how I do it with my zero turn. And if you have any comments or how I can improve it and make it better, please comment. And if you like it, you hit the like button. And you have a good one, guys.